Welcome! If you've ever wondered how to add a bio to your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the latest update and show you just how simple it is to personalize your page with a custom bio. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in with the account that manages the page you want to update. Once you're inside the app, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to all your personal and page settings. After clicking your profile photo, a menu will appear. From here, select the page you want to update. This will take you directly to your page's main profile. Take a moment to make sure you're on the correct page before moving on. Now that you're on your page, look for the option that says Add Bio. This is usually found right under your page's name or in the About section. Click on Add Bio and a text box will appear, ready for you to type in your personalized message. This is your chance to tell visitors a little bit about your page. Whether it's your mission, a fun fact, or a brief introduction, keep it clear and engaging. Type out what you want people to know about your page. Once you're happy with what you've written, look for the Save button and click it. And that's it. Your new bio is now live on your Facebook page for everyone to see. It's a quick and easy way to make your page stand out and let your personality shine through. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tutorials on optimizing your social media presence. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.